Yes, hello everyone, welcome to an exam Femitech video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm gonna show you how to actually change the booting device for this HP laptop. In the description section of the video or in the title of the video I'll be definitely give you the exact model number. So I want to change the booting device. So let's say for example I want to actually reformat or reinstall Windows. So first thing you need to do is to shut down the computer, or again restart the computer. Right, so I actually shut it down. Now I'm gonna press the power button to power it up. Once you press the power button, just continue pressing down on the F9 key. Right, so once you continue press down on F9 key, then basically this screen will come up, and then you use your arrows to actually choose the booting device. I have a USB drive in it now that has Windows on it, so if I should actually click on it, then it should actually start to install it. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.